Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to talk about MyListing starter sites. I was surprised that I hadn't done a video just about what a starter site is up until now. This came about because I'm about to do a new playlist on the club's YouTube channel that has to do with Starter Site 101. So like educational videos specifically about starter sites, like what to do once you get them, any questions I get from customers, whether pre-sales or after the sale, just questions they might have. I'm going to turn those into videos just to make it easier for people to understand them, what to do with them when you get them, and so on and so forth. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. We're just going to really quickly run through the product page for MyListing starter sites. So from the MyListing Club website, that's mylisting.club, we're going to click on this MyListing starter sites card, and we're going to run through this. As I said, launch lightning fast, start monetizing immediately. If you click the Explore button, that's going to take us down and see all of the current starter sites, which we will see here in a second. Pricing is going to take you obviously to the pricing where you can make the purchase. And then the guarantee is essentially if you find an issue with your starter site or any product that comes from a starter site, like a template or a CSS package, and you can show me on the live demo site for that starter site that the issue also exists there, I will fix it for free. Now, obviously, if there's something that the MyListing developers need to fix or like WooCommerce developers need to fix, then I can't do that. But if it's something within my control and I can fix without, there being an additional cost to me other than just providing support, I will fix it for you for free. All right. Launching a MyListing website in days, not months. I've had customers launch within 72 hours of receiving their starter site, as evidenced by the real testimony below. And I'll let you go ahead and read that on your own time if you want, but that is a real testimony from a real customer that launched their starter site, MyListing website, in 72 hours. Starter sites are for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're an agency, a freelancer, or a side hustler. It does not matter what these are for you, because for an agency and a freelancer, for example, if you've never worked with MyListing before, it is a learning curve. There's a lot of moving parts. So maybe you're an expert at a certain platform, a certain theme, certain framework, but if you've never used MyListing before, this is going to save you a ton of time and a ton of headaches. And then the side hustlers, the DIYers, hands down, this is the way to go. If you've got a full-time job and you're starting a directory on the side in your spare time, this is absolutely the way to go. All right. Say hello to beautiful, custom, and granular design. Say goodbye to MyListing websites that look the same. So what I mean by this is I often see people will get the theme, they will install a demo, and they're disappointed. They're looking for more design, more functionality, that sort of thing. And that's where starter sites come in. And I will let you read through all of the perks there if you want. Demo sites on steroids. Starter sites are dynamic, easier to scale, more maintainable, highly educational, and more. So these are not like the MyListing demo sites in really any way. They pick up where they leave off, and then they just add all of these features that I just mentioned. And if you're interested in dynamic content, you want something that's going to scale as your website grows. You want something that's easy to administer and maintain. Something that helps educate your customers, like as far as their customer journey, how the flow goes. And so that type of thing, starter sites are definitely for you, okay? WooCommerce subscriptions ready. Listing subscription functionality is ready to go right out of the box. And you can create any type of subscription-based products to start monetizing immediately. So like I said, listing subscriptions are ready to go, whether they want to upgrade, downgrade their plan, that's already configured. Now, if you, the website owner, you want to sell subscriptions for products that have nothing to do with MyListing, it's just whatever you want to sell, then you've got that WooCommerce subscriptions foundation there for you. As I say here, the only stipulation is I can give you the latest version of WooCommerce subscriptions. It's a premium plugin. I cannot license it for you. Moving on down to WooCommerce product vendors, same deal. It's set up, ready to go. Multi-vendor marketplace functionality is ready to go, giving website owners more monetization options and customers the ability to set up a store within their listing. Same thing, I can give you the latest version of WooCommerce product vendors. I just can't license it for you. In addition, I include UiPress Pro, also licensed, that allows you to further design the product vendor dashboard if you so choose, okay? Lean, mean, fighting machine. So one of my background comes from when I started my WordPress agency, WP Turned Up, years ago, was optimization and SEO. So I pay attention when I build this stuff. I think about not just how it looks and functions, but thinking about the bigger picture. And is it optimized? Are the tools there to make it optimized in the future and keep it optimized, and that sort of thing? And not just being irresponsible in how things are implemented, really being conscious about how the pages are built, the posts are built, all of that sort of thing, okay? So as I say here, lean, mean, fighting machine, starter sites are built with speed and modularity in mind, while still delivering the design and functionality that meets your standards. It's not about reducing functionality and things like that just for the sake of speed. It's just keeping all of that stuff in mind as a one big picture, okay? And I'll let you read through here about how I approach that with these starter sites. Over $865 worth every year of premium solutions. Take your MyListing website to another level while saving money at the same time. So as I say here, you're essentially getting paid, in air quotes, to buy a starter site. And I just say, do yourself a favor and take some time to think long-term about this. Like you might say, hey, the price of these starter sites, which is extremely low considering what you're getting, you might look at it and go, whoa, yeah, I don't have that money right now. But if you just sit down for a second and you think about the long term with this, I really think like it's a no-brainer. And also keep in mind, this is on top of the starter site, the build, the functionality, everything you get. This is just a bonus. I want people to judge starter sites on their design, their build, the functionality, and what it brings to the table. This is just a bonus, people. This almost $1,000, it will be there soon. It's going to keep increasing. It's just a bonus on top of it. All right, let's go ahead and move on. SEO is not an afterthought. Like I said a second ago, my background was in SEO and optimization. So when I build this stuff, I think about it. I don't just put stuff on a page and make it look good and function. I think about SEO. I think about the heading structure. Does it look good on mobile? Is there pages that should be no indexed and no followed, and all of that type of thing, okay? So starter sites are built for success right out of the gate with premium solutions and practices that positively influence search engine optimization. So I give you guys the tools and the base, the framework to really take a run at SEO for your website. These are the current starter sites at the time of this video, and I'll let you guys review those and check all of those out. How it works, super simple. Make your purchase. In your order email, you're going to get a link to a delivery form. You're going to fill out that delivery form, and as soon as I have that, I'm going to deliver your website to you. Please keep in mind, these are not downloadable. This is not a product that you download and upload into your site like a child theme or a template or whatever. These are fully built websites that I hand deliver. All right, frequently asked questions, and then I will get you out of here. What is the guarantee? We went over that. Do you offer support? Yes. You will get a free month in the club community for free. Free month, that's saying free. So that is your chance to ask me whatever questions you need to ask if you want to get your starter site off the ground. Really take advantage of that. If you want to stay in the club longer, which I hope you do, you get 50% off for the life of your subscription, and it's already very, very inexpensive to be in there. It pays for itself with all of the deals and stuff you get too. It's not a money-making thing for me. It's just it all, just comes out to just being a community. It's not a revenue generator. So hopefully people stay in there and see the value. But anyway, other options are Manage My Listing, MyListing Website Care, and if you want to just hire me for one-off support, you can do that, buy some hours for that as well. Okay, but the most cost-effective way is the community. If you outgrow and you need more than that, next up I would probably recommend Website Care, which includes depending on your plan, unlimited support tasks. So, and the other thing about that too is you get my cheapest hourly rate rather than just going straight My Listing Website Support. If you have My Listing Website Care, and then you go to hire me for additional support for some bigger ticket items, bigger tasks, that's the cheapest rate you're going to get. So how does the starter site process work? I already went over that. What if I've already started building my Listing website? It doesn't matter. I've had people who have already launched their website for years turn around and buy a starter site, import their data into the site, and off they go. And the reason is because of what I said earlier. You take the time to think long term. How does your current website look? How does it function? Think about all those premium solution costs. Do you feel like you're set up for long-term success? If you're not, pump the brakes, maybe buy a starter site and go that route. What do you mean by delivery? Again, so once you buy it, we go through the process. I will log into your WordPress install. Unless you sign up for Keys to Within the Club, then I just take care of it for you. But I will log into your WordPress install and deliver your starter site. How do I customize the starter site to make it my own? I give you tons of resources. And then again, you've got the club community if you want to go that route. But I give you all the resources from the club website, the templates, the videos, the CSS packages, anything you can think of. It's all available there to you to make it however you want to make it. Okay. Otherwise, you can hire me to work with you. Manage My Listing is where I'm your employee. I sit there with you as a team and we build things out. And then there's website care where I take care of your website and you give me tasks to work on. You're more of the manager of the project there, that sort of thing. Or you can buy a one-off support. Are there any premium solutions included with the starter sites? Yes. Again, I told you about $865 at the time of this recording. What's next? What if included premium plugins need to be reinstalled or relicensed? You can purchase a premium plugin restoration service from the club. I'll just log into your site and take care of that. If you're on Manage My Listing or My Listing Website Care, obviously I'll take care of that for you. Otherwise, use the club partner deals to go out and purchase your own licensing and reinstall it on your own. Can I get support directly from the vendor for included premium plugins? No, only the club is entitled to support because the club actually owns the licensing. These vendors will not support you for free unless you have a support license. Okay, makes sense, right? Please see the club's terms for more information. You do have the following support options though. So if you're having an issue with premium plugins, we are all having the same issue most likely. The club community is the best option. Jump in there, ask the question, anybody else seeing this issue? And we'll, as a community, we'll get it resolved, right? Otherwise, again, manage My Listing Website Care. You can buy My Listing Website Support or purchase your own license through the deals through the club website. Do I need a club membership in addition to the starter site? No. While it's not a requirement, customers often sign up for a club membership to access the following. Club resources. So for example, maybe you want a template from another starter site or a template that was just created on the side that wasn't actually part of a starter site. You can bring that into your site. CSS packages, whatever that resource may be. Club discounts. You get discounts for all types of clubs, products, and services depending on your club membership levels. So there's that. And then there's also the partner deals. You need a membership to get the discounts from the partner solutions, and there's a ton of them. Okay, can I resell starter sites? No, please do not do that. This is the only way that I can keep the cost of these as low as I do is if people, are good people and buy a starter site for each of their clients, or if they have multiple websites, buy a starter site for each of those. Obviously, you're going to need that to do that anyway if you need those premium plugin licenses for each site. Last up, are you affiliated with the MyListing theme owners? No, I am obviously a fan of and an advocate of the theme, and I am a customer myself. Lastly, if you have any questions, you can book a free consultation with me. All right, guys, those are the details for the starter sites, and I will catch you in the next video. See y'all later.